Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to set a price alert on BitMart. To set price alert on BitMart, first of all, open your BitMart application or website and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Markets tab at the bottom. Find the cryptocurrency pair you want to set an alert for from the list. After you open up this chart page, go ahead and tap on the alert button at the bottom left corner. In order to turn on price alert, you will need to turn on the notification function. If you haven't done that, tap on enable to turn on the notification first. Now you will be taken to your device's notification setting page. Tap on notifications and toggle on the button right next to allow notification, and after you do that, get back to the BitMart application. Tap on the alert button at the bottom right with a bell symbol in it once more, and then enter the price at which you want to be alerted. After you are done, click on create alert. Now once you are done enabling the price alert, you will now receive notifications when the price of the cryptocurrency reaches the threshold that you set. So that is how you easily set up a price alert on BitMart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.